Hello students, welcome back to you on my channel Physics Guru। कुछ समय पहले हमारी एक वीडियो आई, आपने देखा, सभी ने लाइक किया, अप्रिशिएट किया। कुछ स्टूडेंट थे जिन्होंने लाइक भी किया, डिसलाइक भी किया, बट डजंट मैटर। सो नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट द टॉपिक machine, that is machine, the topic which is very important topic in the exam. You have seen the government job exams, railway exam, and the student of SSC board, you know very well the third topic of your physics book, machine. शुरू करते हैं एक नई वीडियो के साथ, एक नए टॉपिक के साथ, जो कि है हमारा मशीन। बहुत दिनों पहले से आपने सुना होगा मशीन के बारे में कि मशीन क्या है, क्या करती है, कैसे करती है। मूवी में देखा होगा, वीडियोस में देखा होगा। जैसे कि आपको रिमाइंड कराऊं, मैं एक मूवी देखी आपने, 3 इडियट। लैब का सीन होता है, टीचर बैठे होते हैं, स्टूडेंट हैं बहुत सारे। टीचर पूछता है बच्चे से, व्हाट आर यू डूइंग, हंस क्यों रहे हो? डेफिनेशन पता है मशीन की? यू नो वेरी वेल। जानते हैं आप स्टूडेंट का नाम क्या होगा? दैट वाज अमीर खान। सो आपको डेफिनेशन बताता है वो, एवरीथिंग दैट रिड्यूसेस द ह्यूमन वर्क effortless, that is machine. So here we are discussing about the machine and type of the machine. So machine basically a type in which the effort is become very less, our work become very less, and everything, the work, the force and the things become very less of with the help of machine. So this is the kind of a instrument which make our work very less. So simply we have divided this machine in many parts. So the first type of machine is lever. Example of machine is lever. Second type, pulley, slide edge. So in this topic we will discuss about the topics lever, pulley and slide edge. So I'll just make you introduce about these topics. Lever. Lever is a type of machine. We have divided it in 3 parts. First, second and third. There are 3 types of lever we will discuss here. Second is pulley. Pulley is a system, you know very well, just like a wheel. This is a pulley system, crane system, in which bar is crowded here. There is a man who apply the effort and there is a load here. Load means weight. Man is uplifting the load like this. This is the example of pulley. Maybe lots of examples are there. Third one is slide edge. Slide edge means, suppose this is a base and there is an angle here, a plane. There is an angle between there, theta. So if we put an object on this, what will happen with this object? This object will come down. So these all are the examples of the machine. So first we will discuss about the topic lever. Basically the lever is a type of machine to which we have divided in 3 parts. First part, second part, third part. So this lever is a combination of 3 words: effort, fulcrum and load. First we will know about these words. Effort. Effort says that whenever we applied the work done, just it works like a input. When you apply the work on an object, this is called effort. Means from where we are applying the effort on that object, that is called effort. This marker, I lift this marker and what I am doing, I am applying the effort on this to write on this board. So I applied the work done, so this make effort. Second one is fulcrum. Fulcrum says that the point from which the machine can rotate in any direction. Any motion can be achieved by this fulcrum. Okay. Next one is load. Load works like a output. Work done as output. So when we apply the effort, what will be the result of that? load will be the result of that. Means on which object we are applying effort, that is the load. So these are the three combinations which will be used in this lever. So this play a main role in the machine and in the lever. So we make a short trick here to apply the three types of lever, and that is the trick we are using, that is FLE, F-L-E. So what is the keyword of this FLE? What is the keyword for this? That if you want to learn this trick, always remember your mind whenever you are sleeping, just say, what is a flea? What's up flea? How are you flea? कैसे हो flea? और क्या चल रहा है flea? Means every time in your mind this word must be still. If you want to remember for a long time, there is a short trick here, that F fulcrum, which is pivoted for a fixed point about which a machine can rotate. Load works like a weight. Effort, base which you are applying on the machine. So this keyword helps you to remember the types of the lever. So in the first type of lever, there is a pattern to remember. I told you about this. बताया कि एक ऐसा पैटर्न हमने बनाया कि जिससे हम याद कर सकते हैं लीवर क्या होता है, कौन सा पार्ट बीच में होता है, कौन सा साइड में होता है, कौन सा कॉर्नर पे होता है. तो फर्स्ट टाइप लीवर में डिस्कस करेंगे. वी हैव सीन दैट फल्क्रम इज इन द मिडिल. Means the joint part of the machine is in the middle, that is fulcrum, that is the effort and that is the load. Okay, there are lots of examples. First example, scissor. Suppose this is scissor. So this is the effort. From our hand we make a effort from here. This is the fulcrum in the middle part fulcrum, from which these two parts are jointed, and load means where we have to apply the effort. Scissor is the next example. Second example, you can take plus, which you use in the electrical instrument. Again, effort is made by our hand. Fulcrum is in the middle part, and load is the part from which the effort is applied. Means it works as an input, and this works as an output. So this is the first type of lever in which the fulcrum is always in the middle. Seesaw is also the best example. Seesaw, suppose this is a seesaw. If when you go in the park, you will see that one student sit here, one boy sit here, and this is the combination up, down, effort, load, fulcrum. This goes up and this make the first type of lever. Okay, second type of lever, we have read here, load must be in the middle. Okay, we have taken load in the middle, effort on the same position, but fulcrum has been changed. Load in the middle, effort, fulcrum. So example of opener. Opener is the example. This is the bottle. This is the opener. So effort is made by our hand, and load is on the neck of the bottle, and fulcrum is the corner. So what we do? This thumbs and the bottles opens. Second example, you can take just like I'm taking stapler. Here you can see here. This is the fulcrum, the part where it is jointed the machine. This is fulcrum, and where is the load? Whenever we want to put the page, we put inside this, and from where we apply the effort, this we apply the effort. So our hand is working like an effort. You can match with the diagram. This is the effort. This is the fulcrum from which it is jointed, and this is the load from which we insert this. So the stapler is the example of the second type of lever. There are many examples by which you can learn easily. The third, we have seen E. E means effort. Means effort must be in the middle. And this is the fulcrum and this is the load. In many lives, daily lives, we see lots of examples. So I am giving you the best example of this. आसानी से याद कर सकते हैं. क्या हो सकता है? If we talk अपनी बॉडी के बारे में बात करते हैं. It's my hand, you can see. So this arm or this arm is working like third type of lever. And how can we say? This is the first type, second type, third type. How? Okay, I'm showing you here. It's my hand. So this is my hand. Comparing from here. Okay, fulcrum. Fulcrum is the part from the body's machine is jointed. So I have this arm working like a machine. Okay, so this is a part. this become F. Effort, I am making effort from this part, and this is a load, this is the load. This is the load I am uplifting, this is the effort, and this is the effort. Fulcrum, effort, load. And what it makes? This make like this. You can do at home. Daily exercise is beneficial for you. So you can do with your machine, with your lever. So your legs, also the third type of lever, effort, fulcrum, load. So these are the common examples by which keywords you can remember the things, flee and their examples. That was some topics about the lever, not the whole, but some. But because I want to introduce about this topic, initial video, first video है, आगे video आएंगे, machine 2.0, machine 3.0. So stay focused on this channel because we have earlier discussed about this. So this is a small topic we have taken. The formulas are very lots of big topics here. Mechanical advantage, effort, efficiency, velocity ratio. There are lots of there. So we will discuss in the next video, which may be 2.0 machine 3.0, and maybe lots more. So there is a question for you that in which you have to write in the comment box. You have to tell me about the. I'm taking a type of machine, crowbar. That is a crowbar. Crowbar is a type of, you can search and you can tell what is the type of this lever. So this is a simple method. I told you, flee. Everything is flee, by which you can tell to everyone just by seeing. There is no need to remember. Just by seeing, you can tell everyone that this type of lever you have.